Hi everyone, welcome back to Quiet Little Crush. In today's video, I'm going to be personalizing some daily pages for September 3rd and 4th in my Traveler's Notebook insert. I'll be using some stickers from Simple Stories, plus a couple of different rolls of washi tape. I'll put a link down below to the items that I'm using, including that cute little pouch that I pulled my supplies out of, that you can pick up in my store if you're interested. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.